back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode. This is Molives. Alright, cut the music, cut the music, cut the music. Alright guys, so I can't use that music anymore. I don't really want to talk about it. Something with a little bit of copyright infringement. But it's all good because we got this new dope words.
I don't know what you're trying to say.
Can I buy a vowel?
E.
No.
Oh, whoa.
It's like a beginning. It's like a...
I don't know what you're trying to say.
It's a beginning. Introduction. Roll it. So that's how we're gonna start off the vlogs now. I'm accompanied by, you know who she is. You've seen her.
Oh, God.
Oh, there she is, Miss Esmeralda. How you doing? How you doing?
I love violated. You're in my personal space.
Oh. Oh my God. Okay. I was in your square. I'm sorry I was in your square.
Let's revert back to you.
Right. Alrighty guys, so we're in Vegas. Keep walking.
I can't keep up with you.
Correct.
I have heels.
I understand.
See,
yeah.
look at these.
She's got heels.
See.
So we're in Vegas right now. I'm on airport standby. I've been here for like 5 hours, 5.5 hours. So I have to see if I'm gonna get called, if I'm not gonna get called. Oh my goodness.
Well, get out of my personal space.
You tripped on me, what? Oh my goodness. All right guys, so we got some airplanes over here. And right over here is
Roach Coach.
The Roach Coach?
Roach Coach?
The Roach Coach.
She doesn't like that though.
No.
The food truck.
This amazing food truck we have here, guys. It's probably the coolest thing ever. Do you want to say hi? Hi. These guys are awesome. How does this work? Like, do you guys have like a deal with the airport, or is it like the airline specifically, or like?
With the county.
The county? That's so sick. So these guys have this food truck. It's called El Patio. Yeah, El Patio.
Patio. The patio.
Patio. Yeah, the patio. Yeah. Wait, do you speak Spanish?
You know I don't speak Spanish. In English, please.
A little.
A little bit. Yeah, clearly. I was gonna try and grab some grub, but I guess I can't do that. Esmeralda is flying. Where are you going today?
San Antonio.
San Antonio.
For 20 hours.
20 hours?
What am I gonna do?
I don't, you tell me. What are you gonna do in San Antonio? I don't know.
I don't know. I have no idea.
Oh, what you
Someone
gonna do?
help me.
Yeah, we can't help you. I mean, we can only help you in life so much.
Oh, God.
I can't really do, wait. I wasn't gonna tell you this, but I did lose my sunglasses. Yes, I bought new sunglasses.
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. When we were actually doing something that I can't tell you guys about it yet. I can't tell you guys about it. Yo, Ez. Ez. I'm trying to vlog here. Ez, we got a vlog. Where you going? We got a vlog.
Where's the basketball?
Yeah, you know what time it is, baby.
I can't play.
Woo! Oh, you could build a house with those bricks, girl.
Shut your mouth.
Oh my goodness. I'll show you how it's done.
Yeah.
I'll show you how it's done.
You do it with one hand.
No, it went in. It went in. No, it went in. You have to make one. Hey! Let's go. Do not drop the camera.
I know you drop it.
That's all the time we have for you today. And damn it. Man, I gotta go. I gotta catch a flight, guys. I'm sorry.
Almost there.
2, 1.
You better not put all of my bricks
What?
in the video.
In a montage? I wouldn't do that.
Yes, you would. It'd be like one of those. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding.
Don't drop the camera. Alrighty. What's new with you? What's going on? Anything new in life?
No.
I haven't seen you in like 2 weeks.
Yeah,
How's
nothing.
the kids?
Great.
My first day back to work since I had surgery. Thanks for asking about my surgery.
I forgot. Yeah, you right.
Yeah, you're a good friend. It's okay. It's all right.
Oops.
I'm gonna go.
I'm pretty sure I texted you. Ask me about your filming like a couple days after.
Well, thank you. They cut me open here in my belly button. No, it hurt, but like I'm fine now. I'm good.
Good.
I'm good. Thanks for asking.
You're
Thank you
welcome.
very much. Yeah, if you guys ever go to Wet Republic
And see Oakley glasses.
you're gonna have fun, but you might see my Oakley sunglasses. So if you do, if you want to just like send those to me at Molives TV headquarters in Rhode Island, that would be dope. Not as dope as this.
Now you lost the ball.
What is?
The axle stopped it.
The what?
Axle.
The axle?
Isn't that what it's called?
You know what an axle is?
The thing that does that. It like goes across on the bottom.
I don't have a car. Are you gonna get it?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah. I'm
going.
Yep. Here I go. Here I go.
Oh, perfect.
Woo! Thank you guys. Woo! Another day saved. And another brick
Shut your mouth.
to build that house. You gonna build a house today, girl. What's good with you?
Nothing.
Chilling? Oh, snap. Okay. Nothing's new. You just sinking buckets?
Just sinking them.
Yo.
All day, every day.
Maybe you shouldn't be a flight attendant. Maybe you should just go in the WNBA.
WNBA?
WNBA. The only reason Esmeralda is here is because she wants me to take pictures of her.
Make me
So
look
boom,
flawless.
there you go. There you go, there you go, there you go. You know what that is?
What?
That?
What?
Your tag.
Right here.
Ooh, follow Esmeralda, guys.
Again.
Alright, that's $100. She's been begging me to give her a shout out in a video for so long. She's been like, oh man, I really want to do one of your videos. Like, please shout me out on Instagram. I want to get followers and stuff. I'm like, okay, I got you. This is your big day today. Today's the day.
Today.
Whee!
Of all days.
Actually, what time is it?
3:30. Are you off?
I got 1 minute. 1 minute.
Uno minuto.
Until
See,
I
today's
am free. I'm working for like the next 3 days. So I'm getting a hotel motel Holiday Inn tonight. Well, looks like you forgot to turn on the microphone, Molives. Way to go, buddy. I'm just blabbering on about God knows what. I can't have my backpack because I just had surgery, so I have to have this dinky little suitcase. Said something to Esmeralda, she laughs. Molives, oh my God, you're so funny. And cue the montage.
Don't get me wrong, it's pretty cool to be on TV, so all the folks back home can see me, and that I'm living it out, all the things I used to dream about. Yeah, it's pretty great saying on stage, proud cause there ain't an empty seat in the place. But girl, ever since I met you, I got a whole new perspective. If I'm gonna be famous for something, I wanna be famous for loving you. Famous for loving you. Famous for loving you. Famous for something.
Yeah, buddy, let's go, let's go. Let's check out this amazing view. Oh yeah, nice, look at that. Just a bunch of fields. You guys know what we gotta do, obviously. Bada bing, bada boom. Woo! Shout out Vivi. Guys, this is the new camera, baby. Let's go. Guys, this is the Sony A7 Mark III. Brand spanking new. We got the 16 35mm lens on it. The Rode Mic Pro. We out here, baby. Goodness. Oh. Yo, I'm so dead right now. You guys have no idea. Even though I literally did nothing today, I played basketball with Esmeralda. So I'm on call tomorrow. I'm number 6 to get called for a 2-day tomorrow. So I'm only good for 2 more days. And then I think I'm gonna go back to roadie. I don't know. But guys, oh my goodness, I didn't even tell you. As you know, every 10,000 subscribers, I do a giveaway. When I hit 10,000 subscribers and I flew a fan up, his name's Gary. I took him on a tour of my favorite place in the entire world, AKA Lil Roadie. When I hit 20,000 subscribers, I flew up to Toronto and I flew my boy Craig in a helicopter. So who knows what we're doing this time, guys? Who knows? We always do it big. 30,000 subscribers giveaway. Let's go, baby. So this is how you enter the giveaway, guys. Woo! All right, you guys have to have your post notifications on, and I will tell you why. Every single time I post a video for the next like week, maybe week and a half, I want to be looking through the comments. The first 100 comments are gonna be entered into the giveaway. You guys can vote up to 5 times. So every single comment, first 100 comments, first come, first serve, you gotta comment down below on this video. So you're gonna wanna have your post notifications on, because there's gonna be a lot of comments coming in. And you guys wanna be part of the giveaways, because you know we do it big, baby. Huge giveaway. I'm gonna fly you guys to an undisclosed location, take you on an adventure. Can't talk about it, that's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say, but you guys know we do the crazy stuff here on Molives TV. So that's how you enter. Good luck to everybody, and this is the first video, so comment down below right now. And you guys know what to do. This is Molives TV. Smash that like button and let's fly, baby.